welcome to the On Air channel. This is your Social Space Curator, Ellie Jńe, and today we are doing, really just pairing up Glimmer, the Glimmer machine, with the new Sizzix switch. I wanted to see if it works, so this is actually my first time trying this on camera. I have the plate heated up for my Glimmer hot foil system, and I have my Sizzix machine actually ready for me to bring this on through. So I'm going to see if it works. I'm a little nervous. Okay, so some of the things that I wanted to let you know is that I have an unboxing video. So if you haven't seen that for this Sizzix machine, the switch, please check that out. But let's go ahead and get everything going. So the first things first is I'm going to put this hot plate on top of my Glimmer hot foil machine, and then I'm going to set the timer. And while it's waiting and getting warmed up and all that type of good stuff, we're then going to sandwich it between the actual hot foil film, which is, this is a chocolate cocoa brown, and I have like 110 pound of cardstock paper or water paper that I got at, what was it? What did I get at? Michael's. Okay, so while we're waiting for this to warm up, a brief reminder of like, how does this Glimmer machine work? You would end up sandwiching, like I said, the foil first, silver side up, and then you would end up having the card on top, and then you would have your shims in between. The test here is just to make sure, can they fit safely within this switch machine? And I'm going to actually give that a try, and all of my nerves are going to be in this video. So once this timer button finishes, and it did right on time, we're going to start to do our stack. So we're going to lay this down here and have it faced up and completely covered. I am then going to add my cardstock, and I moved it just a tad, but it shouldn't be too bad. And then after that, I do the thin shim. I do the spacer pad. Which one do I want to do first? I do the thin shim first, and I'm going to pop this out just a little bit, and then I'm going to do my spacer pad on top, and hopefully that holds everything down. Watch your fingers, and then get ready to bring this on through. Okay, so now we're just going to take off the spacer pad, the thin shim, then of course our cardstock, and it looks like it has the foil, really pressed in beautifully. And then I'm going to also take, and I need to get my tool, I'm going to take this shim off, and it's a little too heavy. Interesting. So we're going to move that off to the side. All right. So this has cooled down just a little bit, and I'm just going to cool it down some more. And I'm going to unveil this with you guys to see if it works. So there was like a little blotchy area in the middle, and that's why it's blotchy there. But it looks like it gives a very nice even press, and that's what I was really so much worried about. Not to mention there is a little bit of height because, this is a 110 pound cardstock or water paper. So there is that like nice impression, so it's not too light. And you saw how easy and quick it was to give us that beautiful like sheen. So if you're wondering, can you be able to pair your Sizzix machine up with your Glimmer foil? I would say yes, you can. And is it going to give you a good impression with enough weight and pressure? Yes. Would you recommend this to others, and do you have to be highly skilled? Not really. It's just the same process as if you were doing the manual crank with the Big Shot Platinum, the Spellbinders Platinum 6, Anna Griffin, or anything like that. It would definitely work through this machine. It's all about pressure and having the correct amount of spacers in between the type of paper that you have. So in saying that, the test is over. Let me know what you think. If you want to try any other different techniques and want me to figure out what I can and can't do with this Sizzix machine, please leave the comment below. Check out my Instagram at elliejne.com or the On Air channel, where I just play around and make some, do some different techniques. But in saying that, thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to chatting with you soon.